Hello, welcome to LeadMaster. In this tutorial, you will learn about the functionality of the library. The library is located in the banner menu. From the drop-down menu, you can view library folders and add a new library folder. Let's go into My Library. As you can see, we have many folders as well as subfolders, and there are documents within those folders. Let's upload a file to our root directory. We can see that this file will be uploaded to root. In the blue menu up here, you can see which folder you are uploading your file to. Let's upload a file to our root directory. Select your file. Once your file has been selected, you have the option to provide a secondary description. We can see our file has been uploaded to our root directory. If we need to provide a new folder for this file, we select the New Folder button and provide a folder name. At this point, you have the option to choose if it is a public or private folder. The default is no. It will be public. If you wish to make this private, toggle this to yes. You also have the option to create templates. Let's leave both of these at no and click Submit. We can see that our demo folder has been created. To move the document to our demo folder, we would select the document. Click the Move button, and we are now provided with a drop-down list of the folders and subfolders in the library. We will select this folder and click Submit. Our document is now moved into the demo folder. If we need to create a second subfolder within this, we would select the New Folder button again, provide a name. We'll call this Demo 2 and click Submit. If you ever need to delete a document, you would find that document, select it, and click the Delete button. You are asked to confirm that selection. Click OK, and that document is now deleted. If we need to delete a subfolder again, click the Delete button, confirm, and the subfolder is now deleted. If a folder needs to be renamed, select the folder and click the Edit button. We will provide a new name. We can also update the privacy settings and make this a new template folder as well. Let's just give this folder a new name. We can see that this folder has been updated to Templates 1. If we want to view a document we have housed in one of our folders, we would simply select the document. We are provided the option at this time of downloading the document, saving, or opening. If we need to take an existing folder and now make it a subfolder, we would select that folder and click the Move button, and again you are provided the folders. We will put this in a subfolder within the Press Releases folder. Click Submit. The library is a great place in which to store documents, spreadsheets, or price sheets so that all of the users that you have may have access to the most up-to-date information. This concludes the tutorial on the library. Thanks for watching.